Feel that bass around the block.
Hey everyone, this is Suzy Pets 2017 here, and guess what? So, you know that Kung Zoos who have these kinds of sounds like this one? You run it over the tablet of Zoo, and hang on. So you run it over the tablet of Zoo and it makes army sounds. Tablet of Zoo sounds. Yeah. And not only that, but if Zuzu Pets have Kung Zoo sounds, they can make Tablet of Zoo sounds. So I have two Zuzu Pets that make Kung Zoo sounds. And watch what happens. It freaking makes Tablet of Zoo sounds. I am not even kidding. Same with happens to a Stinker. Yeah, I'll just use the hacking. Sorry about that. Not only that, but my Stinker makes Kung Zoo sounds as well. It can even make Tablet of Zoo sounds. Oh my god, hang on. Yeah. It is unbelievable. So yeah, that is unbelievable. And no, I did not switch the motors for these guys. They just came like that. So yeah, if you have any Zuzu Pets that make Kung Zoo sounds, make sure to test that out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.